Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to install a chess clock timer on your iPhone 11. So the first step is to open the App Store. Then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in chess clock timer. Then you should see different timers that you can use. And so all you need to do is simply select a timer. And once you've selected the timer, tap on Get to start the installation process. Confirm using your Apple account password or Face ID. And then simply wait for your timer to be downloaded onto your iPhone. Once it's been installed, you want to tap on Open to launch it. Then from here, you now have a chess clock timer on your iPhone 11. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.